I drank nettle tea for 7 days for kidney health and joint support. Could one simple herbal tea help reduce puffiness, support hydration, and make your joints feel more comfortable in just 7 days? I decided to drink nettle tea every day for 1 week to find out. What happens to your body when you switch out your usual morning beverage for a traditional herbal remedy? Stinging nettle is a plant that many people actively avoid in the wild due to the sharp, stinging hairs on its leaves. However, when dried and steeped in boiling water, this resilient plant transforms into one of the most nutrient-dense herbal teas available. For centuries, stinging nettle tea has been used in traditional wellness practices to help flush out metabolic waste, reduce fluid retention, and soothe stiff, aching joints. As we age, keeping our joints moving smoothly and supporting our kidneys' natural filtration processes becomes a top priority. Intrigued by the historical claims and modern interests surrounding this herbal powerhouse, I decided to drink nettle tea every day for 7 days. Today, we will explore what stinging nettle tea is, the potential science behind its benefits, my honest 7-day experience, and how you can safely prepare it at home. What is stinging nettle tea? Despite its intimidating name, stinging nettle, Urtica dioica, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant compounds. The stinging properties are completely deactivated when the leaves are dried, cooked, or brewed into tea. What remains is a deeply earthy, nutrient-rich beverage that tastes similar to a rich green tea. Nettle leaves are naturally loaded with antioxidants, such as polyphenol and flavonoids, which help protect cells from oxidative stress, essential minerals, including iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, vitamins, particularly vitamins C and K. Because of this unique nutritional profile, nettle tea is frequently utilized by adults looking for a natural way to support joint comfort and assist the body's natural waste removal pathways. The benefits: kidneys and joint support. To understand why someone would drink this for a week, we have to look at how nettle tea interacts with two major systems in the body. 1. Supporting kidney function and fluid balance. Nettle tea acts as a mild, natural diuretic. A diuretic is a substance that encourages the body to produce urine and eliminate excess water and salt. By gently increasing urine output, nettle tea can help the kidneys flush out metabolic waste products and excess sodium. This natural flushing action can prevent fluid from building up in the tissues, edema, and support overall urinary tract health. 2. Soothing joints and reducing inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is one of the leading causes of joint stiffness and discomfort as we age. Stinging nettle contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that may interfere with the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. Traditional use and some preliminary studies suggest that regular consumption of nettle leaf may help soothe joint discomfort, making daily movement feel smoother and more comfortable. So what actually happened when I drank nettle tea every day for a full week? Here's what I noticed. Here is a breakdown of what to expect if you decide to try nettle tea for a week. Days 1 to 3, increased hydration and fluid release. The most immediate effect of nettle tea is its diuretic property. Within the first couple of days, I noticed a distinct increase in my trips to the bathroom. Because nettle tea is rich in potassium, it helps release retained water without completely draining the body of essential electrolytes. My body felt slightly lighter, and facial puffiness in the morning seemed reduced. Days 4 to 5, earthy energy and comfort. By the middle of the week, the earthy taste became quite enjoyable. Unlike black tea or coffee, nettle tea is entirely caffeine-free, yet it provided a clean feeling of refreshment. During these days, my knees and hands, which often feel a bit stiff in the mornings, felt surprisingly limber. Days 6 to 7, overall wellness. By the end of the 7 days, nettle tea had become a comforting ritual. While a single week isn't long enough to permanently alter joint structure or solve chronic issues, the combination of deep hydration, enhanced fluid flushing, and anti-inflammatory nutrients left me feeling revitalized and lighter. How to prepare nettle tea at home. Preparing a warm cup of nettle tea is simple and takes less than 10 minutes. For the best results, use high-quality, organic dried nettle leaves or pre-packaged tea bags. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves, or 1 nettle tea bag, a small squeeze of lemon juice or a drop of raw honey, optional. Step-by-step instructions. Boil the water. Bring 1 cup of fresh water to a rolling boil, steep the herbs, place the dried nettle leaves or tea bag into a mug. Pour the boiling water directly over the leaves, cover and wait. Cover the mug with a small saucer or lid. Let the tea steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Steeping it longer allows more of the minerals and earthy flavors to release. Strain and serve. Strain the loose leaves out or remove the tea bag. Enjoy it warm, or let it cool down and serve it over ice for a refreshing summer drink. Tip: keep it plain whenever possible. Avoid dumping large amounts of refined sugar into the tea, as excess sugar can promote inflammation and counteract the benefits to your kidneys and joints. Important safety reminders. While stinging nettle tea is safe for most healthy adults, it is a potent herbal remedy that requires respect and caution. Medication interactions. Because nettle tea acts as a natural diuretic and can influence blood circulation, it may interact with certain medications. If you take blood thinners, blood pressure medications, water pills, diuretics, or diabetes medications, talk to your doctor before drinking it. Pregnancy warning: pregnant women should avoid stinging nettle tea, as it can potentially stimulate uterine contractions. The golden rule: no single herbal tea is a substitute for professional medical treatment, a balanced diet, or a healthy lifestyle. Conclusion: while nettle tea isn't a miracle cure, this simple herbal drink may help support hydration, fluid balance, and overall wellness when combined with healthy daily habits. After 7 days, I understood why this traditional tea has remained popular for generations. Sometimes the simplest habits are the ones that make the biggest difference.